All right, so here we are. We're at the new house, and guess who this is?
Yeah, this is the dirty dog and the dirty and the dirty Betsy
Yes.
in the dirty house. Once again, we're cleaning up somebody else's big fat mess. And there is inherent satisfaction in it, and there's been some really cool things that have been happening here. Thank you to our builder, Michael Holbrook, who is a man of great thoughtfulness and ideas. So here we are. I've just finished ripping the last bit of the carpeting
Show us your handiwork.
off the stairs, removing the nails with this handy tool. What's this called again, honey?
The Huffy wrench
Ah, there we go.
or the hammer.
Yes, the Spitzer bearing adjustment tool. And so this had 2 layers of carpeting on it from probably the 1950s. And it was absolutely disgusting, but I think it's the last of the mess.
And it looks clean now.
Yeah, it looks okay. We definitely need new risers. They don't feel safe. So don't tell the code enforcement people. So welcome to our new digs.
So let's take a pause for a second. We're gonna do a mask off second episode.
So I'm at the side door to our house, which will probably be the main entryway. And we are walking into what our entryway will be, with a small coat closet and the main bathroom. Probably a bench of some type down here for removal of boots and some such. The house was built in the 1920s. And when they did insulation, they put up newspapers on the wall. So we've had some super interesting reading here from the 1920s, talking about flapper dresses and problems in Monte Carlo and what a dangerous place it is. And what was the thing about the code enforcement? Oh, this
New thing called zoning was in one of the articles. And there's your flapper dresses, $23.75. Get them on sale, girls.
Yeah.
Interesting stuff. And somewhere down here, I think I tried to rip it off so it may not show up, was this cool article about zoning, this new cool thing called zoning, and how New York was saving millions of dollars. Yeah, I think it's gone. And it was upside down, so anyway.
This is our main bathroom, just off the entryway. It will have a stackable washer and dryer. Full size, we decided we would sacrifice room in the coat closet to get it. It will have a walk-in shower and a nice vanity and stool. And we resized the window to take out 2 big windows that were here. It used to be an ugly old kind of laundry-ish catch-all area.
Right.
Next, we enter into the kitchen. All our appliances will be on this wall. As you can see by the marks on, well, maybe you can't see so much anymore. The old kitchen wall came to about this point right here. And so we've moved this wall over to give us just a little bit more necessary room in the kitchen. There was also another wall right here that we removed, and there were 2 doors behind me which have now been consolidated to one, and the floor levels have been evened to make this our bedroom with master bath. Thank you very much, Michael Holbrook, for that great idea.
And Randy.
Oh, and Randy for doing the work.
So where's the shower? There it is in the back.
Yes.
Don't stand in it.
Oh, watch me, I can do this.
Oh.
Or it'll make for a great blooper reel.
This is where OSHA.
Yeah, this is where things go wrong typically. So here's our 4x4 shower. We're gonna try to fit a rain shower shower head in here. We're not sure if we can do it yet. And then for our tiny little vanity and stool area, we're gonna look for a corner vanity that doesn't look too god awful.
This tiny little
This
bathroom.
tiny little bathroom.
So mime the new wall. Give us an idea when you're in the bathroom.
Oh, well, it's right
Go
where this-
go in the shower and mime like
I'm not your puppet.
You are a great mime, though.
No, I'm not. So this will be where the new wall goes.
That's perfect. Oh my gosh, I can see it. It's like it just comes alive.
We're also foregoing all shower curtains and glass shower doors because they're a pain in the butt to keep up. So, welcome to our kitchen. We'll have some wraparound cabinetry over here and more countertop. Can you
Yes.
see it? So,
Yep. Can you mime the countertop?
yes, I can mime the countertop.
Oh, look at that. It just comes alive, doesn't it?
Or it needs to be replaced.
Yeah, you can see the daylight coming through. That's our front porch through the bottom of the front door, which everybody has said, keep the triple diamond front door. I think we're not going to. Great advice, people, but you
Indeed.
can see the old lath and plaster, which is very interesting with all the old insulation up behind it. And the rafters that are really weak. And where's the stove gonna go, Bets? Where's the wood stove?
Oh, the wood stove is gonna go conveniently right where the opening to the chimney is.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
Ah,
So we'll have a nice little wood stove. We are taking suggestions on the layout of the room. Should we face the windows and watch the people go by with their dogs?
there's people going by with their dogs.
Or should we?
God, it's like we cued them. Well done. Those are doubles, stunt
Yes.
doubles.
Or should we locate everything with the wood stove as the focal point? Maybe we change it season to season.
Interesting.
Indeed,
Interesting.
indeed.
So vote below in the comment section.
Indeed, indeed. And flexibility will be key.
Yes. Show us where the barn doors are going to go.
So we shall, in this wall, have a 6-foot opening. 6 foot, approximately this wide. And it will be covered by 2 closing barn doors that we can
So
throw
there's
open
the wall where it
Yes.
will be.
in the event of a larger gathering. And we can close when somebody's staying in there or we need quiet.
Yes.
So this will be guest bedroom / office.
Sorry, a little diversion.
That's
You can see
okay.
the neighbor's Jeep in the background that is
Indeed.
unlicensed and is going to be reported very soon.
And there will be a stockade fence blocking it off.
Yeah.
Fences make good neighbors.
A Jeep-proof stockade
Indeed.
fence.
So we're still working on the layout of this room. There will be a bed somewhere. We're not sure if it's gonna be a Murphy bed application. I've been looking at those and there's some cool options. And then there will probably be a desk or some chairs, depending on how this whole thing plays out. We shall see.
All right. And there's Hudson enjoying his lower window.
Don't enjoy it long, pal. Yesterday, getting this mask mostly dirty, cleaning up here, getting all the remnants of the carpet padding off the floor, scraping that off, sweeping it all up, getting all the remnants of the plaster and lath that had come off this wall. And chances are good that we're going to leave the configuration of this room somewhat the same. This will be another bedroom. We're thinking about a closet here, and then probably Ricky and Lucy beds up here for Mark and Nan.
Perfect. And tell us what that is you just walked
I
over.
just walked over an old heat register.
It's not a heat register though, is it? It's
Well, it's a
a hole in the
what do you call
floor.
it?
It's
Yeah.
just a hole in the floor.
Yeah, where,
Looking down in the living room.
and this was where the old chimney used to come up through the floor that serviced the probably potbelly stove that was underneath this. And if you look up, you can see we still have a hole to fix in the ceiling then as well.
Which was the chimney going all the way up
Yep.
through the roof. All right.
So then this room will be kind of our all-purpose rumpus room. Steve will probably get his, what is it, 65-inch TV?
70, 80, yeah, something like
easy,
that.
Easy, baby.
Yeah.
All at once. So, TV there, we'll have some type of seating arrangement, and then primarily a workout room too, so we can start getting off our fat tuchuses and getting in shape.
All right.
Welcome to our hosta.
And the view from the second floor, that's the corner. We're at a corner lot. And there's Avalanche Mountain.
Oh, they got my damn sweet down. Should have thought that one through.
Quick exterior shot. That's where an old black walnut tree used to be. You can see it laying there. It's quite large. Hard to see the size of it unless I show you the garage. The temporary pissing quarters. Yeah. Oh, Betsy, show us how big that... oh, there, you can kind of see in relation. It's a pretty big log. Thank you. So there's the rest of the house, garage, breezeway, the boarded off window. The kitchen window's a little tiny one, and the front of the house. So we're going to show you a little life in Boyne City. We've got a quick shot of the ice sculpture in the back. Can you see that? Starting to melt away. It's a little chilly here this morning, but not too bad out. We're also going to show you, I'm going to have to switch to a zoom, there's ice boats out in the water. Hold on one second. So we've got open water in the foreground and the ice boat cruising across the ice way out there on the lake. Isn't that cool? And there's Hudson and Betsy.